Hi there, my name is Nicole Doster and I'm a senior editor here at Taste of Home. And today I'm going to be teaching you the secret to making crispy, golden brown, fluffy on the inside hash browns. Let's get started. So I'm going to start off by shredding these potatoes over a bowl of ice water. And I'm going to do this because eventually I'm going to be washing off all the excess starch on these potatoes, which can cause your hash browns to become gummy or chewy in consistency. And personally, I don't really like that. And it was also funny because over the weekend, I actually practiced this a little bit and my potatoes started to turn this weird red color. And I looked it up, and actually that just means that your potato is starting to oxidize. It's completely harmless, so if you see your potato starting to turn weird color, you just need to rinse it off in some ice water and all will be okay. What I'm gonna do next is actually strain out these potatoes using the cheesecloth. And you're gonna wanna do this to get all of this moisture out of these potatoes. But you're just gonna wanna get out all of your excess frustration with these potatoes and try and wring out as much of the water as you possibly can. You'll want these potatoes pretty dry because if they have all the excess water or moisture on them, they'll start to steam in the pan instead of fry up. And that is just not good because that's not gonna get you that crisp texture that you need. And now that you have all the moisture out, I'm going to kind of do something that might look a little odd, but I'm actually going to microwave these potatoes. And this, I'd say, is the secret to ensuring that you have the crispiest potatoes, because this is just going to help get even more of that moisture off and make these puppies pretty dry before they end up going onto the skillet. So I'm going to put these on a paper-lined plate and kind of assemble them in a patty-like style because they'll start to stick together once they're cooked. And another reason why I like the microwave is because it kind of does a little bit of the cooking for you. I'm excited for these potatoes. All right, so now that these are finished cooking, I'm just gonna heat up some oil over medium-high heat in my cast iron. And then I'm going to transfer my patty right into the oil, very carefully. Ooh, you can already start to hear it fry up. Add a little seasoning. Now the key is that you really don't want to move this around at all. You can just let it sit and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. This is looking so golden brown and delicious. I'm gonna just flip it over real quick and let it cook for about a minute longer. And then once it's looking just about ready, ooh, look at that. I'm gonna put it back onto my paper-lined plate and enjoy. And that's all there is to it. And I don't know about you, but these look pretty good, so I'm gonna dig in.